Okay, so this is a small series called Increasing Our Reach, and it has 3 to 4 videos. So I'm gonna go through them very quickly. Right now, I just want to tell you what is the series about. In this series, we're gonna talk about why do we want to engage more people, how do we want to engage more people, what activities do we carry out to engage more people, and when do we run these activities. In the first video, we're just gonna talk about why do we want to engage. So it's gonna be very simple, just 5 slides, not too long, and here goes. So, why do you want to engage more young people in India? 2 reasons. One is to make more promoters so that ISEC gets talked about a lot more, and people refer ISEC to each other. So it's a person who recommends ISEC is basically a promoter. Second is to have ELD customer, a person who takes an ELD program, who buys a product that ISEC has to offer, becomes a customer. Okay, and we want to enable more people to experience ISEC because that's what we aim to do as a vertical, right? Now, what is engagement? That's a question that sometimes we don't ask ourselves too much, but in simple terms, it's a touch point where people interact virtually or physically. There's some kind of action that takes place, okay, not as painful as that one, but something that drives a positive feeling, okay. What we would want is someone by the end of it to ideally say, I love ISEC. ISEC is cool, ISEC is what I want to be in, or ISEC is something cool to be a part of in general, something like that. So it's a touch point, and the interaction takes place in a form of some action, and by the end of it, whoever got interacted has a feeling towards ISEC. We want it to be a positive feeling, always, of course. So by the end of it, of that interaction, what we have is a person either being a promoter who says ISEC is cool, you should join ISEC, or wanting to be a customer saying I want to join ISEC, I want to go for an internship, or I want to just join ISEC to get a leadership opportunity. So he's being influenced by that interaction that ISEC had with him in whatever capacity. Now this goes on from being someone who didn't know about ISEC, having a touch point, having some kind of action interaction with ISEC, generating a feeling, to being influenced to take up an ELD, to become a ELD customer or become a promoter of ISEC. Now, according to EWA, how we explain EWA, engagement with ISEC is an opportunity for a young person to get introduced and interact with ISEC without having joined or experienced one of ISEC's ELD program. So it's just someone who doesn't know too much about ISEC but has some form of interaction with ISEC. And this is to engage more young people with ISEC, our purpose and our values. So whatever that messaging is in that activity or in that interaction has to be about our purpose, our values, and what is the core and the essence of the organization. Now we'll talk more about that in the next video. For right now, this is why we want to engage more people with ISEC.